drowns out yesterday. Rest stop, ghosts and rear view mirrors fade. Got a photo tucked beneath the dash, but I don't look. I let the miles persuade it. They think it's freedom, this open lane, but freedom's just a word for being alone. With every mile I leave behind, another name I used to own. This ends my only companion, weighing 1,000 pounds of truth and steel. I drive through the silence no one hears. Wheels don't lie, they know what's real. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling.